First, I'm gonna get my cucumbers all cut up. Kind of thin. They can be as thin or as thick as you would like them. Now I'm going to slice a little dill. Now that my dill is chopped, I'm going to take a little and just put it over my cucumbers. And I'll leave a little bit on the side for garnish. Add my onion. Garlic. Sour cream mayo. Get all of that out of there. Lemon juice. A little salt and pepper. Let's get that mixed up. A little salt and pepper. Let's get that mixed up. It's not a whole lot of mixing. Just get all your cream saturated on your cucumbers. It's not really much to cucumber salad. Just a side treat, or you can make it as a main treat if you're eating light.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a Patty Cakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.